You wouldn't think that farm equipment would turn into a battlefield for right to repair laws, but in 2017 that is exactly what happened. According to reports, American farmers are increasingly turning to hacked firmware in order to repair their John Deere tractors. The reason they're doing so is because John Deere has a license agreement wherein only Deere dealers and authorized shops can perform work on tractors. Due to Deere's license agreement that forbids farmers from working on their tractors, farmers are turning to shady online forums where hackers are peddling cracked versions of John Deere software that bypasses required authorization.
Introducing Free ICT Europe, advocating the right to support, repair and resell. Our objective is to secure the right of ownership and the freedom for consumers and businesses alike to freely choose their providers, giving them the freedom to choose who they want to support and repair the products they own, and giving them the freedom to resell these products if they wish to. The Free ICT Europe constantly lobbies the European Commission and the European Parliament to maintain and further develop your choice to freely repair your equipment. The Free ICT Europe is a not-for-profit foundation actively promoting the ICT secondary market within Europe. Rising software maintenance costs are driving sourcing, procurement and vendor management leaders to explore the independent third-party maintenance. These market developments stimulate Free ICT to unite the common values and knowledge to become stronger, to defend the rights and interests of our customers, our businesses, and Europe as a whole. We represent the interests of all operators within this market, including third-party maintainers, software support organizations, ICT brokerage resellers, spare parts suppliers, used software resellers, and rental and leasing companies. Register your interest, support Free ICT Europe, and join us.